my talking tape measure, and to put the battery in is this one with the lines on the side. Put it forward, and it takes a PP3 battery, the oblong one, and to switch it on I feel for the little window, and it's this side. The other side is to change it to centimetres, but I prefer inches and feet and yards, probably before you were born, but that's what I was brought up with.
1/16 of an inch.
And if it says that, then you can just do
0.
You can press this one
0
to make it go back to 0. I just pull it out and
1 foot 3 and 7
I pull it out
inches.
and then I just push in when I want.
1 foot 2 and 13 sixteenths inches. 10 and 11 sixteenths inches. 10 and 11 sixteenths inches.
Yeah. So if you wanted to change it to something else,
10
you go.
and 11 sixteenths inches. Inches. 10 and 11 sixteenths inches. Millimeters. 272 millimeters. Centimeters. 27.2 centimeters. Meters. 0.272 meters. Feet and inches. 10 and 11 sixteenths inches.
That's what I prefer. So to wind it in,
10
no,
and 11
you
sixteenths
press
inches. 10
where
and
the
11
ridges is.
sixteenths inches. 0 inches.
See? And then it's very clever. It will turn off itself. So I'll leave it there for a minute. So
Turning off in 5 seconds.
and then you'll hear a little bleep and you know it's off. There you go, turned off. So that's a talking tape measure.